So this is 2 weeks after a revision, L5 stroke S1, discectomy, decompression. There was a lot of scar tissue around that nerve, quite tight, the nerve. So how are you feeling now?
Good, yeah. The sciatica's relieved a lot.
Good.
Some residual numbness.
Numbness, yes.
Got some
Bit of pain.
Some pain around the kind of surgery
Yes.
area, but that's
Getting.
improving.
Can I just see you walking? Yeah, good. And then back the other way. Excellent. And can I see you standing kind of tiptoes like that, and your heels? Good. And bending? How? Do a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
I have trouble sitting down.
How about bending forward slightly? That's good. All right. Fantastic.
Yeah.